Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to download data in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, turn to the tutorial. First of all, please open Google Chrome on your device. And then here you can click the profile icon at the top. After that, click once more. And then you can click manage your Google account. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. And then select the search Google account option. And then here you can scroll down again. And then you can select download your data. Okay, after that, all the data that is in your Chrome will appear. Okay, here you can select the data you want to download like this. Okay, after that, here you can scroll to the bottom. And then you can click next step. Okay, and then select the download location here. And then for other settings, leave it at the default settings. Okay, and then please click create export. And then if you are asked to enter a password, please enter it to complete the data download process. Well, that's the tutorial on how to download data in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.